Good morning. Hello, my name is Elsie Prespanwanchukwu,
And my name is Naira Jalaja.
and we're from Vicsum Private School.
We're building a number guessing game in which Python generates a number and the users have to guess it. So what motivated us to do this project was the use of Python concepts like models, loop, and conditional to create a number guessing game which is fun and interactive.
What I enjoy most about Python, I could say it's very simple, easy to understand because it uses human language, and it helps us to focus on what we want the game to do rather than a complex code.
ITGEN Solutions. Inspire, learn, evolve.